People always ask me, why does my jewelry brand Jonga have a bull as a logo?
So I took a flight from Dubai to go back to my home village in India. Farming with my grandfather and getting my hands dirty with these massive bulls made me see the God in them. From generations, these bulls kept my family alive by feeding everyone in the village.
This is why I chose our Indian bull to be the symbol of my brand.
Through this jewelry brand, we provide organic food from our own farm, along with free education to the students of
The KK Narola primary school, which my family built in our home village.
sitting down with these kids, sharing a meal, and just playing around made me realize what we actually stand for. My dream is to take responsibilities of my family business during my grandfather's lifetime so I can build more schools like this one.
So this is the journey of my life in a jewelry. This is the journey of Jonga. So I'm finally traveling to my home village.
I finally reached my home village. My grandpa's here somewhere waiting for me.
Jai Samara.
દાદા તમે શું કરતા
ખેતી કરતો હોય રાતે વાડીએ પાણી વાળીએ અને મશીનથી ચાલો પેલા કૂ હાંકતા કૂવામાં કૂ હોય અને કૂ હાંકતા હોય અને પછી બાપા એકદમ પાણી વાળે રસકો હોય ગાજર હોય ઘઉં હોય આ બધું પીત હોય શેરડી હોય ભાઈ રાતે બળદ ભાઈ આવડો મોટો થઈ ગયો બળદ હાકે કીધું હું બળદ હકાવતા બેટા હાલ તને ખેતી બતાવું તને કેમ ગાડો હાલતો કેમ બળદ હાલે છે બધું બતાવું બતાવો હાલ ત્યારે તાવ એ ભગવાન
દાદા બળદનું પ્રતીક છે આપણા
આપણી ખેતીનો લાયક બળદ છે જન્મદાતા તરીકે આપણા બહુ ખેતી નાખ્યા અને એની ખેતી બીજી જ ખેતી આપણે કરી શકીએ પહેલાં આપણી પાસે કોઈ સાધન કોઈ આવતું નહીં હાલ તો કાંઈ હળ ક્યાં મકાઈ દે બતાવું તો હાલ
હાલો
હાલ ઉતરી હાલ ત્યારે જય ભગવાન હાલો હળ તમે શીખવાડી દેવો છે જેટલો
દાદા હવે ખેતી કેવી રીતે કરવાની એમાં કેટલું
આપણે હળ
બળ
આખી બે બળદ જોઈએ હળ જોઈએ અને એમાંથી બળદ થોડી ખેડીએ આપણે એમાંથી બધું પાક થાય જય માતાજી હાલ હાલ જો હાલ
This is the real gym. Practical gym which everyone needs. Oh my god. I just worked 5 minutes and I'm tired. My grandparents, my grandfather worked all day from 4 a.m. till midnight, and it is crazy how much work did they put to make all this happen, to make family happen, to make life happen. All this food that we harvest, it's all organic, no chemicals, no pesticides, and we feed all this food to the kids that we have in our school. We not only give free education, but we also give proper meals, so they don't have to rely on these chemicals and junk food. They can have a safe, healthy, secure future. Because my father, when he was young, my grandfather couldn't afford higher education. We had to travel to different village every day just to get proper education after school. My father worked half-time as a diamond polisher and half-time schooling back when he was 13 years old. I'm 25 right now and I can't work 5 minutes. I have a long way to go to reach to where my father is, even before thinking that I could exceed him. I really want to take the responsibilities of my family. Today or tomorrow, I have to take responsibility, and so let that day be today. Whatever work I put in to make this business happen, to make this jewelry happen. And I want to make you part of my story, showing you where this story came from, where we came from, where we want to go. How can you be part of our family? How can you be part of our story? That is what we want. That is what I want. And one day I want to make my father so proud of me. Just tell me one day that I'm proud of your son. And I want to work day and night just to make that one line happen. I'm still a long way to go, and I want you to be part of my journey. Today I saw how my grandfather lived when he was much younger than me. It's quite a different experience, what you see online, what you see on your phone, compared when you actually go and do the farming, do the hard work. And I only did for a very short time, a few minutes. It was quite exhausting. My grandparents did it all their life. Even today, he wakes up early in the morning, 4 a.m., goes to the farm, checks the kettle, checks the cows, just farms like the traditional way, just to feed us and the few students that we run the school on. This is why I chose our Indian bull to be the symbol of my brand. This is a true symbol of pride and honor in our culture. If you look at the Shiva temple, there is a bull bowing down to him in the temple. And that is very significant in our culture, in our Dharma, in our religion, in Hinduism. So what the story I have, my truth, my roots, my story, is what I want to put in this bracelet, is what I want to put in the jewelry design, in the craft I make. Because this is a symbol of honor and pride, which is lived by every generation that had come before me, before my father, before my grandfather. And I want to carry this forward. A lot of times I find it quite overwhelming to take such a big responsibility. So this is the journey of my life in a jewelry. This is the journey of Jonga. So guys, this is the school we built in 2011 after my family's name here, KK Narola. And we named the school after my grandmother. So let's see how it's going so far. Okay, come on. This is the same school all my great-great-grandparents have been studied here since 18th century. Can you believe that? And in 2011, we reconstructed this whole school to make it more fresh and more advanced technology. So students did not need to leave the village and study elsewhere. So let's personally talk to one of the students and see what their dreams are to get an idea. Come here. તારું નામ શું છે? જીત. તો શું કરે છે?
આઠમા ધોરણમાં ભણું.
તારે મોટું થઈને શું બનવું?
બિઝનેસ કરું.
ચાલ આગળ આપણે જઈને બીજામાં જોઈએ કેવું છે. તારું નામ શું છે? તારે શું બનવું મોટું થઈને? આર્મીમાં. ઓહો, આર્મીમાં શું કામ?
ભારત દેશની રક્ષા કરવી.
ઓહ વાવ, તાળીઓ પાડ તાળીઓ. Now let's see another class and how it's going. Narabi? What is it? Doctor. What do you think? ITS. શું કામ? દેશી ભક્તિ. સારું. કાંઈ ચાલો હવે અમે જઈએ. So that was another class, and there's so many classes over here who have big dreams. Some of them have only dreams limited to their parents, like what their parents did. As like some of their parents are farmers, some of them drive auto rickshaw, and some of them only dream that way. But it's okay. I always encourage to dream big, and you can reach somewhere. So let's see how this school has impacted them. This is the reason why I want to work hard and make my parents proud and hopefully become as big of a brand, as big of a business to support more schools like these, at least in my father's lifetime, and that's my dream. So let's see what other people's dreams are and get inspiration and hopefully inspire them as well. Oh. So guys, and now and I'm
ખુશી.
Sushi.
મોટો થઈને શું બનવું છે? શિક્ષક. વાહ, તાળી પાડો. હું એટલા બધા ક્લાસમાં ગયો, કોઈ શિક્ષક ન ગયો, તું પહેલી ચોપડી શિક્ષક કીધું. સારું. તારું નામ શું? આશીષ. તારે મોટો થઈને શું બનવું છે? ડોક્ટર કેમ બનવું? સેવા. હા, હવે સાચું સેવા. હા, સારું. તારું નામ? હોય. તારે મોટો થઈને શું બનવું? રાજ્યમાં હું બનવું છે? શેનો ધંધો? શેની દુકાન બનાવી? મારા કાકા નાના હતા ને, સુરત આવ્યા, દામનગર મૂકીને સુરત ગયા ને, ત્યારે ગેરેજ ખોલ્યું. સૌથી પહેલો ધંધો એ હતો, ગેરેજ. તો મજા આવી તો મળી. જય સોનારાયણ. હાલો. So that's another class. There are many classes like this, and I'll show you the prayer room. So this is the prayer room. Every morning students come here and pray to goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of knowledge. And in the same room you also have on the other side a picture of my grandparents. That's my grandfather and that's my grandmother. So every day kids ask who are these people. Of course they met both my grandparents, but it's the first time I'm getting opportunity to come here and see them myself. So the introduction I usually give to kids here is you see the pictures of these two people over here. I'm their grandson. People don't believe that this school existed in the 18th century, so let's just talk to the principal and see pictures. Just a minute. थोड़ा जूना फोटो दिखाड़ो ना. जूनो बिल्डिंग्स.
जूनो.
यहाँ वाला पंखो.
पंखो છે.
देखो. खाली टेबल पंखो आखी स्कूल હતી.
આખી સ્કૂલ આવી. પથ્થરથી બનેલી ખુલ્લી લોબી
ખુલ્લી લોબી કાંઈ હતું નહીં ખાલી આ પંખો
ખાલી ટેબલ ફેન એક જ તે
દેખા જવો
લાકડાનું ટેબલ જૂનું
આ બધા
કાર્યક્રમ ફંક્શન છે એ જોવે છે
તો યા
હા ઈ પછી મોટા થયા એટલે આવા થઈ ગયા
First they were like this, then they grew up to be like this. So going to a calendar which shows exactly which date school was made and how it progressed later on. So this is the one.
આ શાળાની સ્થાપના છે અહીંયા તારીખ લખી છે 1/6/1886 એટલે 1886 ની
1886 માં ચાલુ થઈ
1886 માં એની સ્થાપના થયેલી છે અને દામનગરની સૌથી જૂની સ્કૂલ છે.
So everything that we do, whether in business or supporting communities or schools, everything has to be grounded in spirituality. That's why we have a special temple right next to the school to keep every student grounded in spirituality. So it's been just less than a day. I came here. I came to my village just this morning, and tonight I'm leaving. It was a phenomenal experience playing with kids, students, talking to teachers, asking everyone about their dreams. It makes me realize like what my family is doing, what they're going towards. It gives me much more sense of what's going on instead of just seeing it in the news, rather than going there, talking to the kids, playing with them, understanding their feelings, their dreams, their aspirations. That's something when you go personally makes a bigger difference. When you go personally, that's when you
get the real experience, the real emotions, the real connection.